Welcome to the kitchen. I'm really excited about our recipe for today. We're making fish tacos, and I'm making kind of my own modification of a recipe from the website Taste of Thyme, and I'll link it in the description below. I'm making this recipe dairy-free and alpha-gal friendly, and this is an awesome choice for date night, or if you're serving people who aren't used to being dairy-free or alpha-gal friendly. This is a recipe where you won't even miss the mammal ingredients, so I hope you'll give it a try. We're going to start by preparing our fish, and then while the fish cooks, we'll make the slaw and the crema sauce, and then we'll put it all together and see how it turns out. We're going to start by making the seasoning for the fish. We'll start with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of lime juice, a teaspoon of paprika, salt, and pepper. And then I'm going to add a big scoop of minced garlic. It's probably about a tablespoon and a half, and I'll mix it together. Then I decided that I wanted to add some chili powder, so I added about a teaspoon of that and mixed it together to get ready to put on the fish. This recipe calls for cod, but I've also made it with salmon and redfish, and today I'm deciding to splurge and use some mahi-mahi that I got at the store. This is frozen wild-caught mahi-mahi, and the flavor of your tacos is really dependent on the quality of your fish, so it's worth spending a little bit more to get some nice fish to work with. I'm going to evenly distribute our sauce onto each of the fish, and then it'll be ready to put in the oven. I have the oven preheated at 425 degrees, and this fish will bake for about 12 minutes. While the fish is baking, I'll work on the slaw and lime crema. For the slaw, we're going to start with a broccoli slaw mix. I've also used coleslaw mix and tricolor coleslaw mix. I like to use this because it cuts down on the chopping time and it makes the recipe really fast, and I can get it finished before the fish is out of the oven. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and I'll chop up half of an onion to add. I like my onion pieces to be fairly large, so I won't worry about getting them perfect. Next, I'll chop up a pepper from the garden. This one's called a buena mulata, and it's very spicy. I've also used jalapenos and bell peppers. Whatever I have on hand, I like to throw in. And I'll roughly chop about a cup of cilantro to add. Then I'll add about 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and that'll help our slaw stick together. Then I'll add a squirt of lime juice and salt and pepper to taste. The slaw is finished. All we need to do is mix it together, and we'll get started on our crema sauce. For the crema sauce, we'll start with a base of mayonnaise. I've cut out the sour cream from the original recipe to make it dairy-free. I'll also add about 2 tablespoons of lime juice, salt, pepper, and about a teaspoon of paprika to add some extra spice. I'll mix up the crema and check on the fish. The fish is ready to come out of the oven. It's nice and crispy on the edges and soft on the inside. I'm going to get together all of our ingredients, and we'll cut up an avocado and get our tacos put together. I have all the ingredients ready. I went ahead and transferred the slaw into a container that works better for storage, and I have our taco shells, fish, crema, and avocado set out. So for each taco, I'm going to start out by getting a piece of fish. Then I'll get a scoop of slaw. I'll drizzle the crema. And finally, I'll top with our sliced avocado pieces. There you have it. Our delicious fish tacos are finished. I hope you'll give this recipe a try.